Hey, what if I told you that the IRS might owe you money right now? I'm talking about penalty relief that most business owners and individuals don't even know exists. So let me break down exactly how you get your penalty money back in these 3 simple steps. First, understand first-time penalty relief and what it's all about. The IRS has a little-known program for businesses and individuals who have never had tax issues before. If you have been compliant in previous years and this is your first penalty, you're likely eligible. This applies to late filing, late payment, and other common tax penalties. Step number 2, request penalty abatement. Here's the critical move. You need to call the IRS directly and specifically request first-time penalty relief. They won't volunteer this info, so you're going to want to have your tax transcript ready and be prepared to explain your reasonable cause for the penalty. Pro tip here, the first-time penalty abatement and reasonable cause are key phrases at the IRS. The IRS runs these requests through an automated verification system. So just last month, I helped 2 clients recover over $8,000 in penalties by simply understanding how this process works. Step 3, verify and collect. So once approved, the IRS will send you a check or credit the amount to your tax account, most likely the check. Most people don't realize this money is sitting there waiting to be claimed. The entire process typically takes about 4 to 6 weeks from your initial request. So some critical points to remember here. This works only for first-time penalties. You must have a clean compliance history with the IRS for the past 3 years. And not forever, but 3 years. The IRS won't automatically refund it to you. You must proactively request the relief within that time frame. You have 3 years after to request it. The difference between paying and recovering penalties comes down to knowing the system and taking calculated moves. Most taxpayers leave that money on the table simply because they don't understand the strategies. They just pay the bill because they get a notice from the IRS. One final thing, documentation here is everything. So keep records of your communication with the IRS and if there's a specific reason for the penalty. This approach can save you thousands and keep you financially sharp and strategic.